Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from the broadcast booth overlooking the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And it's a Friday, the weekend's almost here. And you know what that means for modern Wall Street. We're going to get this weekend started early. It's not quite 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close soon enough. But yeah, I want to run out of here, and I'm sure you do too. Let's get it started. It's an early Friday happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now stocks continuing to trade at record highs this Friday afternoon, just one day after President Donald Trump promised to release a tax plan sometime in the near future. Now Trump saying on Thursday in a meeting with airline executives that lowering the overall tax burden on American business is big league. That's coming along very well, that we are way ahead of schedule, he believes, and that we are going to announce something he would say over the next 2 or 3 weeks that will be phenomenal in terms of tax. Meanwhile, besides a carryover from yesterday's Trump rally in economic news, import prices rising 0.4% in January, more than expected, and export prices rising 0.1% last month, in line with expectations. There was also preliminary consumer sentiment for February coming in 95.7, but that was below expectations of 98.5. Team this all with the U.S. dollar rising 0.3% against its counterparts, gold taking a hit on the stronger dollar, Europe trading along the flat line, and Asia mostly higher overnight. Then you have yourself a session of gains to close out the session and week at possibly more historic high levels. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the week. And with that stated, kick back, relax, stay warm, New York City. And of course, it's a Friday. We'll talk a little bit about sports. We'll just leave the Knicks and Nets alone. They don't really count at this point. But both the Islanders and Rangers are playing Colorado this weekend in hockey, and Chelsea Burnley on Sunday morning. But most importantly, next week, spring is in the air despite all the dirty snow and ice outside, because pitchers and catchers, they report next week. Yeah. Baseball almost here, spring almost here, and honestly, I can't wait. For Modern Wall Street saying I'll see you guys on Monday, I'm James Sweeney.